If you're a transit passenger traveling from abroad to the Delhi International Airport, this is going to be a new protocol that could be followed. So the Delhi International Airport has started its first testing space over here, and as you can see, if you're a transit passenger who's traveling from abroad, when you land at the Delhi International Airport, you do not need to go through the 7-day institutional quarantine. At the testing center here, where you register for a test as per the ICMR guidelines, before that you will also have to submit your passport to the Delhi government authorities so that you are registered and counted here. After you do your registration, you will come here, and this will be the place where you will submit your documents. Moving forward, this is where you will submit your swab test for an RT-PCR test. That's right. So over here, you will be giving your swab for an RT-PCR test. After that, after submitting the sample here, you will move forward. So this whole area has been specifically dedicated for this very purpose. And this is a lounge area after which you could submit your samples at any of these places. The authorities at the airport have decided that they will keep more than 3 to 4 places where you can submit your samples for testing. And as you move forward, this is where we will go inside the lounge area. And this is a specific lounge area only for those who need to spend at least 4 to 6 hours here till the time that they get their test results. So this is the lounge area that you will be directed to. Once you are here, all the norms of social distancing have been followed, and as you can see, in each and every place there are officials of the Delhi International Airport to help you come to your designated seat. So when you register yourself, you will also get a numbered seat. So these are the sleeping pods that are being readied for passengers. They are being sanitized at this point of time. And right now, this area will be designated for your luggage. Here is where you will leave your luggage once you enter the lounge. And as per the officials, your seat will be numbered at each and every point so that social distancing is maintained and contact tracing is easy in case you are found to be positive. Now, once you are here you will wait for at least 4 to 6 hours. When your test will come, they will announce the results. They will ask you and give you the results. And from then on, if you test negative in the RT-PCR test, then you will move forward from here to your next destination. Now, the main thing is that the test requires you to pay a charge of 2,400 rupees, and the lounge access that will be given to you will charge you a total of 5,000 rupees. So that's 2,400 for the test, and the rest would be charged for the lounge. So at the registration, the lounge area access and testing will cost about 5,000 rupees for the passenger. And here, as you can see, all sorts of amenities have been kept in place. This would be a comfort zone for those passengers who are in transit and who need to spend at least 4 to 6 hours in this area before they can go forward to their destinations. Now, this has been done to save time for those people who will have to go through a 7-day quarantine period in various other places. So you come here, test, wait for 4 to 6 hours, and from there on, if you want to go to another state, you can book a flight after a gap of at least 8 hours and then proceed. With Ajay Kumar, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.